Hello, this is going to be a quick tutorial how to edit pictures and add them to your videos. So I'm just going to show you how to edit a picture, so in this case how to add this PlayStation controller up here. So the aim is to get a picture like this, so this can be added to the video with a transparent background. Okay, so first of all we need to get the PlayStation picture itself. So what I did is went on Pixabay.com and chose that controller to download. And on top of this I also found those buttons which we are going to use. And the program I'm going to use is first of all Gimp. That's a free open source software, and I'm also going to use Paintnet, which is also free. Okay, once the pictures are downloaded, you're just going to open that via Edit with Gimp. And then the first thing you want to do is just scale that image to 50%. And move it right to the bottom, pretty much in the center. And then you want to open the buttons as a new layer. You just go via File, Open as Layers, and add those buttons. And then as well, you're just going to scale those to 50% as well. Move them, and the next thing you want to do is to have a transparent background. The way to do it is just go with Select by Color tool and then right click and select invert. Then you just use either right click, edit and cut, or just a short key, Control X. And you're just going to paste this as a new layer. Okay, and then here the right hand side you can hide and show the layers accordingly. So that button one you can actually delete already. And the next thing you want to do is just use the eraser tool up here. You may want to increase the size a bit. Delete this part. You just go with that selection tool. Select it. Control X for cut. And then paste this as a new layer. And just rename that layer to L1, because it's an L1 button. Okay. And then you wanna scale that again to, let's say, 65%. That to the right position, and then let's rotate this a bit to, let's say, -2. Perfect. And then you're just going to repeat that step with all the other buttons. Again, again select, Control X for cut and paste in as new layer. Name that R1. Scale it to 65%. And move it. Rotate. -2. And do the same thing with the other buttons. Okay, perfect. So the next thing we want to do is make a circle around the L2 button. So the way we're going to do this is, first of all, select by color tool. So that will be it. And the next thing is select border 5 pixels. Okay. Then it looks like this, and we want to fill that with yellow color. Okay. In this case we got a square around it as well, but that's not a problem. We're just going to use the eraser tool. And got rid of this frame. Okay, and then we're just going to save as, and let's call it controller. Save it, so now it's saved as a Gimp file. The next thing you want to do is export it as PNG, so that means the background will be still transparent. Okay, export. And you got the file up here. So for the next steps I'm going to use Paint.net, and first of all, to get those stars up there we're going to use this function here, and the secondary color will be black. Okay, I got my 5-point star up here, and I want to fill it with solid color. That's why I clicked on here. Okay, secondary color. Even better with outline, and just change those around to black and yellow. Perfect. Okay, so that's one of them. Just going to use the selection tool and Control C for copy and Control V for paste. Okay, once that's done, I'm going to follow up with the text. And if that doesn't work, we're just going to save it in between as controller.png. That's fine. We're gonna replace it. Okay. And then we will just open it again like this. And just going to use 40 or even 50 of text size, and just type in RomanSenykMusic shot and move it up here. Okay, so the next thing left is our arrow, which we want just as yellow. Just throw it up here, turn it a bit, and that's done. And draw show. Now we just want to have a circle with no filling at all. Do it like this, and just put it up here. And another ellipse over here. Okay, so that's pretty much all. Just in case you ever need to move anything around, just use the selection tool up here, mark that accordingly, and click on the move tool, and then you're good to move anything you want. Okay, that's it for now.